Hi, this is Chris from AppCore Labs. I wanted to invite you to our TechOTuesday event on January 29th from 5:30 to 7:30 at Skyland Aleworks right here in Corona. We're going to be talking a lot about community this month and why that's important, and I wanted to share a very small idea with you about that concept. Community, and the reason why we're involved in building community is because we're proving that in this region there are a lot of assets that are being overlooked. There are companies, there are industries, and there are talented individuals that can work together towards making our community a better place to live and to work. Now, TechOTuesday has an angle of technology, but we invite all sorts of entrepreneurs, service providers, and industry folks to work with us because we all live in the same region and we all want the same things. So I invite you to join us on January 29th for TechOTuesday, and I hope to see you there. If you want to sign up online, go to www.techotuesday.org and you'll get to our meetup page and you'll be able to sign up there. Looking forward to seeing you.